Hi friends, in this video, we are going to know how to create a Linux EC2 instance in AWS Cloud. This is my AWS console, Amazon providing and free trial account for 1 year. Now we are going to create Linux instance in AWS Cloud. Go to Services. Select Compute Service. Click on EC2 option. It will navigate to EC2 instance dashboard. Click on Launch Instance. There are some steps involved in the creation of EC2 instance. First step is to give a name for the server. I am providing server name as my Linux server. You can provide your convenient name. Second step is application and OS images. We have to select our machine image. Now we are creating Linux server. So, I choose for Linux image. Third step is instance type. Since I am using free trial account, I opted for T2.micro instance type. Choose the instance type as per your requirement. Fourth step is key pair. This key pair provides you the encrypted password that required to log in to EC2 instance. Click on Create Key Pair. Fifth step is network settings. This module consists of VPC of security groups. By default VPC is opted by AWS provider, or else you can create your own. Check HTTP and HTTPS options to allow the HTTP and HTTPS connections. AWS provider by default will provide 8 GB storage while creating. If you need more storage, you can select by option Add New Volume and Quat. Click on Launch Instance. It will create a Linux instance in AWS Cloud. We can find the server name My Linux Server in EC2 instance dashboard. It will take few minutes. We have to wait until instance state and status checks got passed. After few minutes, Linux EC2 instance got created successfully. Now, we will see how to connect the Linux instance. Copy public IPv4 address. Open PuTTY exe to connect to the Linux instance. Enter the IP address in host name field, which we have copied earlier. Go to SSH. Click on Auth. Browse and upload the private key file, krishnalinux.ppk. Click Open. Click Accept. Enter login ID as EC2 user and press Enter. We connected to my Linux server. It is successfully up and running on AWS Cloud. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos.